Hello friends, welcome to the series Committees of Constituent Assembly. As we have seen that certain committees were recommended by the Committee of Rules of Procedure. Now one of that committee was Credentials Committee. Now this again is a administrative committee. As per Rule 43 and Rule 44 of the Rules of Procedure, this committee was set up. It had 5 members. Now who were they? Aladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, P.K. Sen, Bakshi Tekchand, B. Poker, Ram Sahai. So these were the 5 members of this committee. And what did they actually decide? This Credentials Committee, what they decided? Deciding the duration of Constituent Assembly for the purpose of dealing with all questions relating the validity of the title of elected member, because there were certain qualifications to become a member. So this particular committee would verify that whoever has come as a member, whether he has satisfied the required conditions and terms. Further, if some member resigns or there is some unfortunate event happening, how to fill that particular vacancy? So if you see, apparently this looks to be a very small committee or small work, but if you analyze it, they served a very important purpose regarding the entire functioning of our Constituent Assembly. I hope you would have enjoyed this particular video. Thank you.